Hello and welcome back to another video of Coldafy. Today we'll be doing something interesting, you could say. I'm going to be doing a test. You see, the difference between members, how they're treated, and non-members. So as you can see, I'm in Jama Township right now, and I'm about to say, trade me. That's it. I'm going to see how long it takes for someone to trade me. And go. I will keep saying this till someone trades me, and it may take a while or it may not. Do I have anything on my trade list? Oof, no, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put stuff on my trade list. Now here we are with my beautiful trade list. Let's go see how long it takes to get it. So I decided to accept the trade that I got for my right helmet. And oh, this is beautiful. I love this. I think I only have one bow and arrow, so it's great. And it only took me 5 minutes. So let's see how long it will take if I create a non-member account. Let's go. So I've muted the sound, and I'm gonna pick an animal. Now I'm gonna pick a wolf for one reason. In case I ever want to go on this non-member account and do adventures, I have to be a wolf. And I'll get a fearless wolf. Now next, a name. I want Master. Call Master. Red. Like a moon. Oh, river. Oh, that's it. That's rich. Okay, now let's go. I'm a girl. 16 plus. And now let's type a new user. What should I? Cat Wolf 101. Where's spelled cat? Yeah, I spell it with a K, like Kit Kat. Cat. Okay, that's good. Now I'll turn it off for the password. So here I am with only 50 coins, or gems, whatever they're called, left. This is my trade list. It's quite terrible. I'm a new jammer. Let's see how I can look though. I'm gonna take this off. I'll just put this. Ooh, and keep no that. And then I'll be all girly like that, and then put some hearts. And make them a bit red, you know? This looks nice, werewolf. No, let me make my animals all black and red. But let's go out. Now let's see. And let's go with please trade me. Please trade me. And I'm gonna see how long it takes us to get a trade. So I got a trade request. I'm gonna accept, even though I'm not an ocean animal. And that actually took us not that long. A non-member trade actually took a short amount of time than a member trade, which actually shocked me. Well, this was a nice experiment. See you next time on Coldafy. Actually, I mean Coldafy, not my other account. Well, that's it. Bye guys, see you next time.